Okay guys, so today I'm doing an oil change on my Cascadia 2021. So we got the water separator, we got the fuel filter, the kiddos over there, and the oil filter is right there. As you can see, I built these props so I can have some rooms to work under when I drain the oil pan. So let's see how this goes. Should be quick and easy. I'm gonna get up there and work on the filters. So right here I got a 36mm socket and I got a ratchet. So on your water separator you're gonna need this tool right here. This is a 8-inch that fits right here. But what you want to make sure you do is open here to release the pressure and drain out the diesel that's in here, and then you'll put new one that goes right there. So on this water separator, they normally have a drain plug there, but I'm surprised this one don't have one. So I use this pliers here, and I turned it. That should be able to make sure you have the container in the bottom, ready to get you. Open the top, it's not gonna flow like it's right. It's doing there right now. Now, once everything is out, you lock it, and when you open here, you want to make sure you clean out everything inside of there. There's possibility there's some dust in the bottom that sometimes the mechanic shop don't always clean it. the fuel that came out of that. If you look inside, you might be able to see some of the water that was in there. So that's done. I'll use my tool here and open this. Well, as you can see, sometimes it gets a little bit tight, or maybe it's over tight after the pressure. So make sure you take your time and open it so you don't cross thread it. So here's our oil pan that's going to be catching the oil. I just want to show you guys, this is the water separator. You see all that dirt and everything in there? Make sure you clean that out before you put on your new filter. Okay guys, so make sure when you put this back on, you put clean fuel inside. Make sure your O-ring is on the bottom here, O-ring on the top. Then you close it up here, and this is finished. Now we gotta put the fuel filter on the other side, oil filter there, close it up, put the new fuel inside, the new oil, and we're good to go. So right now I'm gonna work on the oil filter first. This is the O-rings for the filter, and make sure when you're fitting these, make sure you snap it inside before you close it up. Now, if you want, make sure you clean these up properly before you put the new filter inside. The O-ring is right here. All you need is a screwdriver to take it out. Clean the corner here. So this is the big one. Goes right back here. Make sure you clean around here before you put the new one in, because you got all the sand and the dirt around here. Clean it out properly. Put the new one in. Now, when you're putting the filter, you could snap the filter back here first, or put it in there and then snap it in. Either or, whichever works for you. Done. Now I'm gonna work on this little one and the other big one. Again, O-ring here, snap it out, put the new one in, and you're good to go. I'm in Long Island, New York, so it's a little bit cold today. It should start snowing in a couple of hours, so trying to bang these out before. O-ring, pop it in there, this goes back here like that. everything to go. Now here, make sure you purge this before you start it, or else you would never get it to start. Reason being is because you're bringing in the fuel that you took out of here. You're basically pulling it back up, so that way the fuel system gets enough fuel to get the truck started. But before I do that, I'm gonna put my oil in here first, and then I'm gonna start up. So our oil change is done. Let's start it up.